lady who's 77 years young and had a total knee replacement 3 days ago, outpatient. You came in and you went home the same day. Tell me about the surgery and the post-operative experience. How did you do?
The surgery went well. I was home in seven hours, same day surgery. I have not experienced any pain. I was able to walk to and from the bathroom. I could wiggle my toes. I could even put my machine on, for my compressor on, and I walk around the house. I got up this morning and I was able to walk and sit at the dining room table. And again, it was so amazing. I haven't had any pain at all.
Wow, that's amazing. And yeah, and this is, you can show her wound here. Can you bend your knee a little bit for me? And then straighten it out a little bit for me. Can you straighten it out now? Straighten it out all the way. Touch my hand. Good, beautiful. Good, and so she's only, like I said, only 3 days out.
Only 3 days.
Absolutely. And did you have a good experience? Has everything been good?
Very good experience. Right. I had the most professional people here to just administer this.
Well, you're...
Dr. Pandya is just God sent.
No. You're like
so
amazing.
Is his staff God sent.
Right.
They are very gentle, precise, and it's just wonderful. I'm not full of narcotics, and I'm not having any pain.
Well, that's fantastic. Well, you're a lovely lady, and great things happen to lovely people like you. So thank you for that testimonial, and we'll keep working at making this perfect, okay?
And I recommend anyone with any kind of knee pain to see Dr. Pandya. Your experience will be great, and the staff is very professional.
Listen, I just want one thing. I just want your blessing. That's all that matters.